There, world history students. Today we're going to be kicking off the Latin America unit. And when we say Latin America, that's a common term for basically Central and South America. So all of the South American countries, as well as the constellation of countries that would make up Central America, as well as the Caribbean. So Mexico, Honduras, Guatemala, Belize, Cuba, Dominican Republic. We could go through the list. But that's the region of the world that we're talking about, Central and South America. And like with previous units, we're going to begin this by going to the very distant ancient past. And to kick that process off, we're going to introduce you to what we call the three mother cultures or mother civilizations of Latin America. Now, they're called mother civilizations or mother cultures because they create a foundation in terms of social behavior, cultural symbols, even things like language, architecture, and so forth, that other civilizations that follow them will tend to practice and modify in some way, shape, or form. These three mother cultures of Latin America are called the Olmec, the Chavan, and the Nazca, and they're located geographically at different places. The Olmec are more concentrated in the region that would be southern Mexico today, so that's more Central America. The Chavan and the Nazca are going to be more South America. And with that, the task you have in this lab is going to be to read these three documents here. They're brief documents. They have images and some map pictures as well. One is on the Olmec, one is on the Chavan, one is on the Nazca. Read through these, and they're very short, but use these to complete this organizer. You guys are going to be completing it digitally, but you also could print it out and complete it on paper if you wanted. The organizer is what we call a grapes organizer. And what that means is it gets you to think specifically about how each of these civilizations or cultures compare in the areas of geography, religion, achievements, political, economic, and social. These are different categories for how you would examine a civilization. We call it a grapes organizer because the acronym geography, religion, achievements, political, economic, and social spell grapes. And this is what you're going to be doing today. This is going to be self-guided for a lot of you. Your task is to read through the document and try to fill out this grid as best you can by jotting down things you know about each of those categories. If you have any questions, check with your small group instructor and proceed as the instructions lay out for you in its learning.